Welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a totally new, home-based career path that's laid out in our recent source materials. We're talking about the LELAIL Solar Sales Support System. We're going to look closely at how this platform claims it can take a curious beginner and completely equip them to operate in one of the fastest-growing global industries out there. So let's dive right in and get started. Look, we all know solar energy is booming globally, right? I mean, every time a house gets new solar panels, it's a massive win for renewable energy. But here's the hidden reality behind all that incredible growth. Saving the planet actually requires a literal mountain of paperwork. Every single new installation generates an endless stream of enquiries, quotes, and just daily admin tasks. Right now, this bottleneck is severely slowing down fast-growing solar companies. There's a whole workforce of highly capable people out there who could easily manage this stuff from home, but they just don't have a clear starting point.
Well, that is exactly where the LELAIL system comes in. Its core mission is essentially to act as a bridge. On one side, you've got an industry that's practically drowning in paperwork, and on the other side, you've got people like you looking for a flexible, home-based career. The platform is built to connect willing workers directly to the solar companies that desperately need that organizational help.
Section 1. Meet the LELAIL system, your complete solar career partner.
So what exactly is this thing? Basically, the LELAIL Solar Sales Support Administrator Career-to-Business System is a fully interactive, AI-driven platform. Its stated goal is to help you explore, learn, practice, and eventually build a business supporting solar installers and sales teams. More specifically, it zeroes in on managing the inquiries, the quotes, and the paperwork for domestic solar PV, that's photovoltaic panels, and battery storage systems. It's positioned as this all-in-one environment that's designed to take someone from absolute zero to being fully operational.
Moving right along to Section 2, your step-by-step journey, from novice to business readiness.
Let's move to and see how this builds, because the source material outlines a highly structured, really logical flow. Step 1 is all about doing an honest test to see if this role actually suits you before you commit to anything or feel any pressure. Step 2 moves you right into learning and practicing those day-to-day skills you'd need as a sales support admin. Then, Step 3 gives you a rigid assessment of your business readiness. There's no sugarcoating here, it just gives you a clear, honest picture of your proficiency. And finally, Step 4 lets you actually choose your specific career route.
Now, the real game changer here is that practice phase. The system doesn't just hand you a textbook and say, good luck. It provides actionable simulations. You actually get to practice on realistic, fictional sales inquiries. You'll draft quotes and proposals, chase down simulated paperwork, and answer mock customer questions. It basically lets you learn the ropes and make your inevitable beginner mistakes in a totally safe, controlled environment long before you ever interact with a real, live customer.
And once you've actually mastered those skills, well, the program highlights the sheer flexibility waiting for you on the other side of the bridge. This isn't just a funnel into traditional employment, though, hey, that's certainly an option for sure. But you also get to choose to go freelance, operate as a subcontractor, or even launch your own independent home-based business. The whole system is built to accommodate whichever route fits your personal goals and lifestyle.
Okay, let's dive into Section 3. AI assists, humans decide, operating your home-based business.
Once your career or your business is officially launched, LELAIL steps in as your highly reliable AI coworker. It's designed to handle all that daily grind of data management. We're talking about opening new inquiries, tracking the progress of quotes, preparing routine updates for customers and installers, and keeping all your daily admin strictly on schedule. The whole goal is to let the AI do the heavy lifting when it comes to organization, so your business can just run smoothly from day one.
But this right here illustrates the absolute core philosophy of the entire system. The AI is there to assist, to track, and to prepare. However, the authorized humans are the ones who decide and take contractual responsibility. The AI is positioned purely as an organizational tool to boost your speed and accuracy. It is explicitly designed to never, ever replace the critical thinking and the authority of the human professional. The mantra is strict but simple. AI assists, humans decide.
Now, transparency is critical, and the source material is radically honest about what this system does not do. The LELAIL system does not give you an accredited educational qualification, and it definitely doesn't guarantee employment or specific business results. Most importantly, it does not authorize anyone to perform regulated technical or contractual work. Those highly regulated decisions, they strictly remain with appropriately competent and authorized engineers and technicians. These are hard boundaries, and they're put in place to protect you, the administrator, and to build absolute trust in your service.
Section 4. Start your LELAIL business, empowering your next career move.
So what do you actually get when you sign up?
The system documentation outlines the immediate deliverables. You get full access to the interactive LELAIL platform, plus a downloadable PDF that includes 4 exclusive starting prompts. And this is really cool. The system features a voice-first design to make it highly accessible, and it's available in over 100 languages. The whole idea is to make this tool truly global, empowering anyone to start building a business, no matter where they live or what their native language is.
So, for those of you looking to learn these skills, practice them safely, and build a really flexible career supporting the massive solar industry, the source material points you straight to LELAIL.com to grab the system and begin your pathway.
Oh, and there's actually a pretty surprising additional financial mechanism built into the model. The platform features an affiliate program that offers a massive 50% commission on sales when you share the system with others. It's framed as a really smart way to earn secondary income while simultaneously helping to expand this global network of support administrators. We're going to end today's explainer with a powerful quote directly from the source material, "No one left behind." I think it perfectly summarizes the inclusive, globally accessible mission of the LELAIL system, and it leaves us with a really fascinating final thought. As massive global shifts like the green energy boom just continue to accelerate, could hyper-focused AI tools like this be the exact key to unlocking millions of remote, flexible micro-careers for people all over the world? Think about it. Thank you so much for joining me today.